Hello my dear students, welcome back to our computer classes. We are learning HTML and this is part 10 and today's topic is, so first of all let me show you this website, right? If you see this website, it has many links. When I move my mouse pointer and that mouse pointer changes into a hand sign, that indicates a hyperlink, right? When I click these hyperlinks, it will take me to the new web page, right? And that web page would be containing some information that is related to this website. So HTML allows us to create hyperlinks, right? Hyperlinks using anchor tags so that we can keep so much of information that can be linked together using this powerful feature of HTML. Now if you see, if I move my mouse pointer, if you see my mouse pointer is moving and the pointer is not changing into a hand sign. So that text on which the mouse pointer does not change its shape, it means that is not the link. If you will click on that, it will not open any new information, right? So that this hand sign indicates the hyperlinks, right? Linking a web pages. A website consists of a number of web pages that we all know, right? So that give you access to related information. And HTML render this powerful feature of linking these web pages together by hyperlinks, right? Hyperlinks is that text on which the mouse pointer changes into hand sign. And how we can create? We can create hyperlinks using the anchor tag, right? Now next topic is type of linkings. The first is internal linking, right? When one part of a web page is linked to another section on the same page, right? So it is called internal linking. So I'll show you the example shortly. External linking. When one page is linked to another web page or website, it is called external link. Means the moment you click on the link, it will open another web page. So it is external. If it is moving within the page, it is internal linking. Let me show you an example. For example, I open this tab and I search here input devices and this website opens here and you see we have certain links here. My mouse pointer is changing into a hand sign. This is indicating the links. So if I click on any link, it is not taking me to another page, but that link is moving down at the bottom of the same page. So that is the indication of the internal linking, moving within the page. So if I click on other link, so it has just moved this scroll and moved me down. So these are called internal linking. External linking. For example, I have this website, CBSE website, and I have got many links here. So let me open any link out of this. So I click here. This hyperlink has taken me out of the main web page. So this is called external linking. I hope you are clear with this. External means out of that page. Internal means within that page. Now next is anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to mark the text as a hyperlink. So we will be having a text and we will mark it as a hyperlink, right? And the moment we will click on that hyperlink, it will take us to web page or website whose value we would be giving. Now if you see, anchor tag is having only one attribute, that is called href. Like if you remember in image, we had img tag and src attribute. Here we have anchor tag A and href, and this is called hyperlink reference, and this is a attribute of anchor tag, right, which defines the document to which the link leads, right? So anchor tag, this is a hyperlink reference attribute. This attribute is having a value and this value will be linked to this text. Opening anchor tag and closing anchor tag. Within this tags we have written a text, and the moment we will click here on this text, it will take us to this value. And what kind of values we can have? we can have a absolute URL, means absolute address of a website. I'll show you how. You will find it very easy. Then relative URL means a point to a file within a website, right? So we can move within the website. And links to an email address, right? So 3 kind of values we can have. I hope you are clear with this. If you are not clear, just stay tuned. I'll show you how to create hyperlinks. So this is a plain text document with a very basic code, right? So today's topic is anchor tag. I will create anchor tag A. This will be having attribute href is equal to a value, right? If I write here, if you are very much familiar with google.com, so let me write www.google.com, right? Now I'll write here Google it. This is a hyperlink. Now I will close my anchor tag, right? So this text Google it will appear on my web page, and the moment I'll click here, it will take me to this website. So let's see. I will click here on file, save as, and here I'll write anchor.html and save it. Coming back to the folder, this is my web page. I'll click here and see Google it is here. The moment I'll click on this hyperlink, so just click it, so it will take me to the Google website. It is not opening up right now, but it will take you to that web page. Now let me take you to the anchor tag here, and I'll repeat the same. Capital A href is equal to, yesterday we created a web page, its name was image, right? Image.html. We created this page yesterday, so you remember it, and here we will put a break, otherwise they will appear in a continuous line. Now press Ctrl S, move back to the folder, open the anchor, and you see the first anchor was Google it and second is flower. So let me click here, and if you remember, yesterday's image was this, because we learned how to insert images. This is how anchor tag works, right? So just try it out. If you have created any page, any web page previously, use that name as it is with anchor tag, and that page will open here on your the recent web page, right? I hope students you are clear with this. Tomorrow we will learn about creating links to email, right? So take care, goodbye, and God bless you all.